Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you how I did this look right here. If you guys been following me on Instagram, you are well familiar with this look kasi i-recreate ko lang tong Pride 2019 finale look ko. Wow, finale. Ito yung pinaka-finale ko kasi ito yung parang I think it's powerful. Pero ngayon, this is my third Pride makeup look in 2020. I have 9 looks. If you've been following me on Instagram, mabibilang at makikita niyo yung mga Pride makeup looks ko. Niba ko lang siya ng konti, especially sa eye makeup, sa lips, and then dito sa part na tong graffiti, basta whatever I want to call it. This look is basically inspired by Katie Elizabeth Pot on Instagram, as you all know, one of my favorite artists, who was inspired by Gabrielle Alexis, another favorite makeup artist of mine also on Instagram. Yung kay Gabrielle Alexis kasi buong mata niya. Then, iba lang yung pagkaka-inspo ni Katie Elizabeth Pot, which is gantong-ganto. But yung iniba ko lang sa kanya is ginawa ko siyang Pride theme. Before we go ahead to the tutorial, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you won't miss out any of my videos. Also guys, come and follow me on Instagram where you can see content that I will be posting here on YouTube. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the video.
I don't wanna let you down. It's the only thing I think about every morning. You know my life ain't figured out, but I promise if you stick around it'll never get boring. We'll spend nights, cheap red wine, look at flats even though we can't afford them. I don't wanna let you down, I don't wanna lose you now. Will you stay even when you wanna walk away? When times get bad, we can learn to love what we have. I don't wanna let you down, I don't wanna let you down, I don't wanna let you down, I don't wanna mess around. You're the only one I want there at the end of my story. It's the only thing I figured out, 'cause everything else in my life without you would be boring. And we'll spend nights, cheap red wine, look at flats even though we can't afford them. I don't wanna let you down, I don't wanna lose you now, I don't wanna let you down, even when you wanna walk away. When times get bad, we can learn to love what we have. I don't wanna let you down, I don't wanna let you down.
So guys, I'm sorry if hindi ko napakita yung pagdikit ng spray paint sa face ko kasi nga struggle ako dito sa station ko right now. Ako kulit ang mga aso ko and such. Pero ayan, didikit ko siya again gamit ang lash glue. Make sure to leave it for like 20 to 30 seconds or when it gets tacky, tas didikit na yan. Again, ang ginamit kong lash glue is Bia. It's recommended by my makeup artist friends. Pero kung may mga lashes naman kayo na trusted nyo, you go ahead. Pero ayan siya. And this is the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed watching it, don't forget to click the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!